Hello everyone, welcome to another math tutorial. In triangle ABC, I'm going to prove that tan A is equals to A sine B divided by C minus A cos B. That is, I'm going to use this to prove, I'm going to use this identity, that's A sine B divided by C minus A cos B to get tan A. Alright, so what I will do first is to write that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. So the right hand side is equals to A sine B divided by C minus A cos B. So what I will do from here is to write an expression for B in terms of side A, side B, and sine A. Alright, using the sine rule. So using the sine rule, okay, express sine B, okay, in terms of sine A, side A, and side B. Now the sine rule, okay, states that A over sine A is equals to B over sine B, which is also equals to C over sine C. So I'm going to bring out this equation, that is A over sine A equals to B over sine B. So from this equation, sine B will be equals to B sine A, okay, divided by A. So this is the expression for sine B in terms of side A, side B, and sine A. Okay, now I'm also going to write, now I can write an expression for cos B, okay, in terms of side A, side B, and side C, using the cosine rule, okay. Using the cosine rule, now I'm going to express cos B in terms of side A, side B, and side C. And the formula for cos B, okay, will be equals to A squared plus C squared minus B squared divided by 2AC. So this is the formula for cos B using the cosine rule. Now I can substitute this for cos B, okay, in this expression. And I also substitute this for sine B in this expression. So that means because our right hand side is equals to A sine B divided by C minus A cos B. Now, right hand side will be equals to A multiplied by sine B, and that's B sine A divided by side A. So we have B sine A divided by side A. B sine A, that is sine A times B, okay. Then we have to take this one here and bring this here. So divided by C minus A, then cos B, we have that to be A squared plus C squared minus B squared divided by 2AC. So now A divided by A, that will be 1. A divided by A, this will be 1 as well. So the numerator becomes B sine A divided by, so here we have C minus A squared plus C squared minus B squared divided by 2C. Now I can simplify the denominator, okay? Simplify the denominator. So we have numerator to be B sine A divided by 2C times C. This will be 2C squared minus A squared minus C squared, then plus B squared. That is negative times positive. This will be negative. negative times positive. This will be negative. Negative times negative, then this will be positive. So 2c squared, then this will be all over 2c. Okay, so 2c squared minus c squared. That will be 1c squared. So this will be b sine A divided by, so I'm going to put b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2c. Divided by 2c. Now, with what we have here, okay, now I'm going to recall again from the cosine rule. Okay, from the cosine rule, now recall. Now from cosine rule, we have that cos A will be equals to b squared plus c squared. Okay, b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2bc. Okay, divided by 2bc. So which means that if I flip this fraction, this one, b sine A over b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2c. Okay, this should be bc. Okay, this will come here, 2bc. This will be equals to 2bc. Once I flip this fraction, okay, 2bc sine A divided by b squared plus c squared minus a squared. Now, let's come back to what we have here. Cos A is equals to b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2bc. So which means that 1 over cos A will be equals to 2bc divided by b squared plus c squared minus a squared. So which means from this expression, okay, from this expression, that's one there, we have that will be equals to, so if you have 2bc over b squared plus c squared minus a squared, okay, multiplied by sine A. So it means that 2bc over b squared plus c squared minus a squared is 1, will be replaced with 1 over cos A. Okay, so which means the right hand side, okay, will be equals to 1 over cos A multiplied by sine A. And we know that sine A times 1, that will be sine A. So we have sine A over cos A. And sine A over cos A will be equals to tan A. So this shows that this expression on the right hand side is equals to tan A. So I can say that therefore the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Okay, equals to the right hand side. And with that, we've come to the end of this tutorial. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye bye.